My last Tuesday back here in the shop with the MIG welding. I get done Friday. I'm trying to take my black ass out to Vegas. Make some money out there, make some $1 billion. Fuck a million, I want billions. I'm trying to get out there. Get that real chop. Smoke some good legal weed at the store, go buy all I want. That's the grind area back there. Let's go back to grind down parts I weld together. As you can see, grinds over there. Grinders. That's the laser cutter right there. One on top. There's a stick welding area over here. And this was my stick welding booth. I always stayed in this bad boy right here. I did TIG over here too. I was number 52. That was my booth number. Santiago weld right here. Darnell welds right here. And this is my weld machine right here. Turn it on right there. See? You flip that down. You go to TIG right here. Turn it up a little bit temperature wise. I put my shit on 120. That's the gas you turn it on. Pull that switch down, send the gas up. Watch the bubble come up top. Last Tuesday here. Taco Tuesday and Titty Tuesday. Show them to me. Let me touch them. Holla at your boy, Dion Roberson, aka Too Sweet.